we are going to watch just Tesla and Google's earnings. Google is likely going to set the tone for like Amazon and Meta as far as Google. Hopefully that's just a sell-off right before earnings, and then we get that zone place. We're going to see if it bounces. We dropped right to that zone, really just based out. All right, what we're looking out for, revenue $94 billion. This is the expected results, right? And so this is Google. $94 billion, and then earnings per share 2.18. Price target 201. It's a 12-month price target. We can cover that in an hour. All right, and then going into Tesla, we have revenue 22.7 to 22.8 billion. Earnings per share 42 cents a share there. Average peers price target 310. So we're above that. The Bears 215 target, citing overvaluation. Bullish up to 500 target on robotaxi and AI bets. And both of these are actually huge. This will probably be the first earnings where they do talk about the robotaxi. All right, so we almost made it to that one. Almost made it to the expected move. We're still holding this zone right here. And the part that sucks about doing earnings reactions live, maybe they're entertaining. You get to watch a candle go up and down. There is a lot of time before the market opens tomorrow. So if you are in any kind of options contracts, you will have your Vega crush tomorrow, whether you're in calls or puts. If it absolutely sends it one way or the other, those will be up. It would need to do that first. As of right now, if Google were to stay here or even go to this green, your calls and puts are going to be down. Google down 2.59% after an earnings beat. Revenue 96.4. We were expecting, we'll call it 94 billion. And then earnings per share 231 to 18. Very interesting. Tesla came out with theirs. Yeah, Tesla's numbers being out and it's not moving kind of just goes into what I was already talking about. Sales 22.5 billion versus an estimated 22.6. That's not a beat. Earnings per share 40 cents versus an estimated 43 cents. So not a beat. It's a miss on both. And we already knew what Tesla was going to do with their deliveries. Still, while I'm calling it an AI play, forward thinking, right? That's the general excuse. Right now, cars still their main thing, and we already have the delivery numbers. It's already priced in. So if you're surprised as to what the cars are, the only thing we're finding out when we get the numbers is kind of like the margins. We already have a pretty good idea of what the margins are, how many cars they sold. So we kind of can already you can pinpoint a range as to where Tesla will probably be at. Getting above this zone, I do think we get to here. But for Tesla to probably really get on a run and kind of get those the buyers going again, that cult following, probably does need to get above 370. And at that point, we're going for it.